Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am coming back with another work from home job lead. This one is going to be perfect for those of you who don't have very much experience. You're just trying to get in the door, work from home, and gain some experience. This one is entry level. So the company WEX, they dabble in all kinds of different industries. They are in financial technology service provider across many different industries. Now they are hiring a customer solutions specialist. A customer solution specialist is just what it sounds like. You'll be taking up to 75 calls a day, answering a customer's billing questions and responding to general inquiries. So you'll be engaging with the customer on the phone. You'll be customizing your interactions to the individual customer's personality and situation. You'll influence customers for a win-win solution. You'll educate them on any alternatives or features not already considered, and you'll lead with excellent written and verbal communication skills. Now, this is no experience needed. They are asking that you have a high-speed internet connection, you have a private place in your home to work, and that you are willing to work a flexible schedule that includes some weekends and possible holidays, and that you can pass a background check. That is it. No experience is needed. This is completely entry level to get your foot in the door, get some experience, and then you have that for your resume to get higher paying jobs. But for no experience needed, this job actually pays decent. They pay anywhere from $14.50 an hour all the way up to $19 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please remember, sharing is always caring. So if you found this job lead or anything that I share helpful, please give my videos a thumbs up, like button, and share with all your friends and family. That way we can all work from home, live in our happiest, healthiest life. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.